Okay, so I got to be totally honest with you that this is probably one of the most requested type of videos is the playing with your food series. So we're going to dive into these Hostess. I got all Hostess cream filled treats. Okay, we're going to take a look at them. Let me tell you the breakdown. We want to know who gives you the most cream in the treat, who gives you the biggest treat, and how much. So we're going to price them out. We're going to weigh them out. We're going to scoop the cream out and weigh the cream. It's going to be very interesting. So I'm going to let you guys pick the winner. Come on in close. Okay, so this is where you predict which one is the better price. Is it the zingers, the ding dongs, or the cupcakes? And we're going to do it per unit, not for the box. We're going to for one cake. Okay? The next question is make your pick. Which one is a better price? Okay. Now the next one is which one of these will have the most cream filling? You're probably thinking the zinger because I haven't checked because it's long and these are round. So zingers, ding dong, cupcake, and lastly, who gives you the biggest cake? All right. So let's get to cutting these open. All right. First discovery. Look how little the zingers are. Look at that. They're so small. I thought they were as long as a Twinkie. They're not. They got like nothing. Okay. That looks okay. They all look a little smaller than when I was a kid, of course. Oh, it's pouring rain outside. Cool. All right. Playing with your food in the rain. I love it. So this is the worst looking treat there is. It's so tiny. So let's go ahead and we're going to weigh these out, but let's talk about price first. So this comes in a pack of 10. This comes in a pack of 8. That comes in a pack of 10. That is 20 cents. That is 35 cents. And that is 29 cents. Once again, 20, 35 cents, 29 cents. Here we go. This is so tiny. I could eat that in one bite. What does that say? 1.3 ounces? 1.3 ounces? Serious? That's it? Oh my gosh. All right, let's take a look. That is 1.6 ounces. So close to the other one, I'm shocked. There you go, 1.6 ounces. And this is 1.1. Oh, I'm shocked again. So the winner is the cupcake. Wait, I have to look at this again. 1.3, that's more than the ding dong? How can that be? It means the cake's more dense. So now we're going to weigh out all the cream fillings. So we're going to need to go get some plates.
Like this?
Yeah, straight in the middle.
Well, you're recording right now, just so you know.
That's fine. Okay. It's not even fully filled. There's just a few injections. Can we even get the cream out? I'm so embarrassed. So little is in there. It's unbelievable. It's just a little taste for your tongue.
You can put
Yeah,
a spoon
sure,
on
zero out with a spoon. That's fine.
there. Okay. So it's like 0.1 ounce.
It's 0.1 ounce. Oh, my back hurts.
So you want the same thing?
Right down the middle. Yep. I don't know if it's a little more or not. Digging out the cream. Okie doke. Little dot of cream. That's it. There you go.
Point one.
That also has 0.1 ounces of cream. That's also got a little dot of cream. Let's see how much. Let's see if this guy's the winner or they're all the same.
One.
0.1. They must measure this. This must be their standard. Every treat gets 0.1 ounces of cream. Okay, guys, here's a recap. Every treat out here has the same cream filling. It's all 0.1 ounces, okay? So this is 35 cents. That's 29 cents. That's not worth it. I know that. Between these two. So you get frosting on top. You get frosting over the whole thing. So this is cheaper. I would go with this, the Ding Dongs, over the cupcakes. Not that it really matters, but just to kind of price everything out. All right? And that is about as much destruction as we can do with these Hostess treats. Now I can go give them away.